Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about overriding in Python. So let me just write that overriding word. Overriding in Python. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of overriding? Overriding refers to the process of implementing something again. That means something is there in your superclass, base class, parent class, and you are implementing that same thing again in the child class or derived class. Okay, so all the members available in parent class or base class or super class, okay, those are obviously by default available to child class through the concept of inheritance. Okay, so if suppose derived class or child class is not satisfied with the parent class implementation, then child class is allowed to redefine that method in the child class based on its requirement, and this concept is called as what? Overriding. So suppose if I have a class ABC, that is my parent class, and we have one DEF, and we have one function, uh, for example, display. Okay, and obviously default parameter only. And in this, I am writing one print statement. Suppose hello world. Okay, right now we are just writing for understanding purpose and demonstration purpose only. And then we have one more function, that is def, and just def, and we can say that xyz as a function name. Okay, in that again we have one print statement. Today is, okay, and we will write Tuesday, suppose, some message. Okay, now we are done with the parent class, or you can say that base class. So now we will write the derived class. Okay, and it is derived class, so I will write class D, and it is derived from ABC. Okay, now here I will have one unique function. So suppose def display and one and self, that is unique, and I will write hello world, but not the same message, something else. uh, what can write, we can write have a nice day or something message. Okay, but now I will have one function which I have already implemented in my base class, and I am not satisfied with whatever is written inside of xyz. Okay, so what I will do, I will write the same name, that is def xyz set, everything same, but I am not satisfied with this print statement. So today is Thursday. Okay, I have kept method name same, that parameter same, everything is same only. So now what will happen after this? We will create d1 equal to d and function. That means using the derived class we are creating object. Now using this, first we will call d1 dot display. So obviously it will jump to this parent class display. Then after that we are calling d1 dot display one. So it will jump to the this method. So first it will print hello world, and then it will print have a nice day. And now d1 dot, we are writing xyz and this. Okay, so now let's check the output of this. That main part is the third line. It will call this xyz or this xyz. That we will check first. So control S and F5. See, hello world, have a nice day. Okay, because of this display and display one, the main point was it is calling today is Thursday. So where it is today is Thursday, it is in derived class. So we have actually override XYZ method with the new message, and we have replaced this old one with what? New message. So this is all about method overriding. In my next video, we will start with the abstract class, and then at the end, we will complete with this interface. Thank you, everyone.